In the heart of the 16th century, a new chapter in history began to unfold. Amidst the tumultuous religious landscape, a group of scholars, led by a charismatic and brilliant man named Ignatius Loyola, embarked on a journey that would change the course of history. Ignatius, a former Spanish knight, had been severely injured in a battle, leaving him bedridden for several months. During his recovery, he began to read religious texts, and a profound spiritual transformation took place within him. He felt a calling to dedicate his life to God and to help others find their faith. In 1534, Ignatius and 6 like-minded companions vowed to live in poverty, chastity, and obedience, forming a loose association they called the Society of Jesus. The group sought papal approval to officially establish their order, but their application was met with skepticism and resistance from the church hierarchy. The year was 1540. Pope Paul III, impressed by the Jesuits' commitment and their unique approach to education and missionary work, granted them the long-awaited papal bull, formally constituting the Society of Jesus as a Catholic religious order. This decisive moment marked the birth of the Jesuits, an order that would become one of the most influential in the history of the Church. The Jesuits' mission was multifaceted. They dedicated themselves to education, preaching, and missionary work, but they also took a vow of obedience to the Pope, making them a formidable tool in the hands of the Church. Their educational institutions would become renowned for their rigorous academic programs, attracting students from all over Europe. The Jesuits' influence extended far beyond the classroom. They played significant roles in the Counter-Reformation, the campaign waged by the Catholic Church to halt the spread of Protestantism in Europe. They were also pioneers in the exploration and colonization of the New World, establishing missions in South America and North America. The story of the Jesuits' foundation is a testament to the power of faith, commitment, and determination. Ignatius Loyola and his companions, in the face of skepticism and adversity, founded an order that would shape the course of history. Their legacy continues to be felt today, as the Society of Jesus remains one of the most active and influential religious orders in the world.